Dr. Tango Doi orukuru kuteza karuru omukigombe cha NRM nagira ngo abantu 30 nibo bihireye empapura konka hari yabi 11 nibo bahamibwe okurugirira har Dr. Tanga abarkwenda kwesimba hantebe yobunyishengero bwa East African Assembly bine kubanza bare kure myanya eyibino bwa hati.
NRM stalwarts have expressed interest and so far 14 have satisfied the conditions and have been duly nominated. We want to reiterate that members of parliament, the current 11th parliament, who want to contest in this Yala 2022-2027 by-election must resign by law because they cannot be in two parliaments at the same time. The issue of Honorable Kakoza, we've got another letter from the East African Legislative Assembly Secretariat, and I think we are leaving to our parliament to write to us clarifying whether they continue or whether as a result of the election locally here, their tenure has been suspended. But for now, they are members of the Yala, but with us we are continuing with our internal processes without any interference.
Abihireye empapura harimo Fred Rwakizo kurugwa mu district y'Isingiro na aine byona Thomas kurugwa mu Mubende kandi abantu bebembezo kugita amahanga ga East Africa omubyo bushobozi hamwe n'entunguka.
Echo kubanzaniza kugezaho n'amani mingi okureba ngo abanya-Uganda twabasa kuba tufune mirimo omu East African community. Kandi echo kibeshitari muje tubona munonga kuko nintekateka ba member parliament babampire mu bwesije ninza kuba ninchitambuza je munongo kufune mirimo. Eshongo ya kabiri twine amashitagita go tweta oil and gas kandi agatwire nigakorwa okusya obwire obutwija ku bantu ntugatimba kandi tugagishoza nchibanchi manisa ngu East Africa yona itwenga Uganda higa kurga tsheme kwa ntuganyurwa mu kandi tukafuna nentekateka narishamateka agakubasa kugebembera kandi gakatuyamba ombere byo misho
kumeka jongo parliament ya empowering East African standby force yakubasa kuba hirubuvunanizwa bokumeka ngashwangu abihekera aba South Sudan abihekera aba Congo babihayo kandi nikibasa kabo kamanga gayige itakataho security emwe ya East Africa nibinge ebi byukura mu Eastern Congo South Sudan echa kabiri dokumeka ngashwangu parliament ya East Africa twagigaitaje na parliaments z'amahanga wajegereza parliaments z'amahanga ikira borse yahinguzwaha na kuri mu East African ebenekora
omwishengero harimo emyanya ebiri etarimo bajoekerwa bwa nyuma y'abanyishengero abarimo Dennis Namara okusinga yabo yaga West Constituency na James Kakoza okusinga yabakuzere ahabwe cyange cya Central gasha kwa Jimmy Mhumuza omuri Kampala.